let's do a open box here today to show you the KingTop coffee grinder. This is a 200 watt model, low noise, stainless steel. Take a look at it here. Got a little brush thing here, little manual. Take it apart here, show you. It's stainless steel, but it has some sort of gloss. It won't attract fingerprint. That's what you worry about. Not sure how this works, but they include an extra, I guess what do you call this? The thing in the bottom to grind the coffee here. It's not, it's not too deep. It's about one of my finger length here to the bottom. And the bottom is just a motor. So the motor is pretty much take all this part down here. I guess the idea is to grind as you use it, so you won't lose the flavor. And this one, close it. I'm not sure. Yeah, just press down. Let's see if I can plug it in real quick to turn it on. Make sure that it's turned on, of course. Okay. So without any coffee, that's the noise. But you put coffee in there, it'll probably be a little louder. I'm sure it can grind other things, not just coffee, but other stuff as well. I don't think I need this, but let's see. They include maybe to brush the outside edge. But that's really all I can show you on this product here. The top clear piece here is plastic. It's not glass. So the power button is right here. So obviously you have to put in where this thing match up with that. You put somewhere else, it won't turn on. You'll have to turn that way, and then you press down. So you turn that way, it won't work. It's kind of like a lock. Alright, that's really all. Thank you for watching.